Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the EMA Crossover Signal Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator provides us with entry signals for trades as well as exit signals from trades. These signals are based on the crossover of two exponential moving average lines, where we can set the periods of these moving averages in the input. Let's go over the settings of this indicator.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Together. The first option in the settings is the period of the fast moving average, which has a shorter period compared to the slow moving average. The next option is the period of the slow moving average. And the last option, if set to true, will display the alert directly on the chart when the signal is simplified. The higher we set the periods of the moving averages, the fewer signals are generated, and the validity of these signals is greater. Let's test and see this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can also use the MT5 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's test and see this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comment section to help improve the indicators.